Practicing with the news. Is it a good idea or not? Well, that depends on your level and what you're looking for. Let's say you're a beginner. Practicing with the news is not your best option, and the reason being, as we mentioned in the previous video, your body language. Uh, when you're watching the news, they are trying not to move too much. They are reading from a teleprompter, so everything sounds perfect. They don't make any mistakes. And if you practice with the news, you're going to learn maybe the pronunciation, which is going to be great, but you're going to miss the body language, which is a really, really important part. Practice with comedies. Comedies are actually a great idea because you can concentrate on the movement. People are doing this all the time. Practice with interviews because people are more natural. You're going to listen to mistakes all the time, which is what you're going to make. We make mistakes all the time when we're trying to speak in English or in Spanish. Practicing with comedies is good. Practicing with interviews is good. Practicing with action movies because the action is going to actually help you distract. You're not going to be so focused on trying to understand every single word. Just from the context, you're going to get a lot of information. Kids shows, those are really good too because you can see that they express a lot, and that is why babies learn so well. So the news, maybe later, not your priority right now. This is Gabriel, Sharper English. Thanks for your time.